Hello, little one. How are you? Hope that you're doing well. So, I'm going to ask you 10 very basic and important questions. So, let's get started.
Yes, you can start.
Okay, thank you for that. Do you love to eat pizza?
Yes, I do. I love to eat pizza. My favorite pizza is pepperoni pizza. It's made of using fewer spicy. It's not too spicy or too cheesy. That's why I like it the most.
That's going to be delicious. So, do you love to play cricket?
No, I don't love to play cricket, but I like to play football.
Okay, so do you drink coffee?
Actually, I don't love to drink coffee. My parents don't allow me to drink coffee. Rather, they encourage me to drink milk, fruit juice, milkshake, etc.
That's good. So, do you sing a song?
No, I don't like to sing a song. I like to listening music in my leisure time. I like rhyme song, folk song, bowl song. Sometimes I like local song.
Different types of choices. Okay, so do you use Google?
Yes, I use Google. Google is considered as the storehouse of knowledge. When I need any information, I search it on Google and get it here.
Okay, that's good. Do you have a Facebook ID?
No, I don't have any Facebook ID. I think I'm too young to have a Facebook ID. However, my parents have Facebook IDs. When I need any information or want to know any notice or news, I use their Facebook IDs.
Okay, that's good. That's good to not have a Facebook ID. Do you like to visit?
Yes, I love to visit. It's one of my hobbies. I love to visit new places, not only within the country, but also in abroad. I get more pleasure to visit Little Molabi Bazaar as my grandparents' houses are there. In the country, I like to visit in Cox's Bazaar, the sea beach. Particularly in the late afternoon, the beauty of watching sunset in the sea is beyond description.
Okay, do you want to speak in English?
Yes, of course. If I learn how to speak English, I can communicate anyone around the world. My inner dream is to become a world traveler. Without learning English, I cannot achieve my goal. In this regard, I am grateful to my respected Russell sir, who teaches us English in an excellent way.
Exactly. So, do you eat fast food often?
No, I don't eat fast food all time. Those I love to eat. My parents don't want that I eat fast food regularly. I take the taste of fast food in special occasion.
Okay, that's good. It's very unhealthy. So, at last, do you read comic books?
Yes, I do. I love to read comic books. My most favorite comic book is Turkey Ghost. It's so funny when I read it. The other comic books which are my favorite, Spider-Man, Cat Kid, Miss Queen, so on.
Okay, you're really sweet. I had a really nice time talking with you, and I loved your answers. They were so fluent.
Thank
okay,
you.
thank you. Bye.
Bye.